Morphe M441 brush, and I'm putting those all in the crease as my transition shade. And I also do have Scotch tape on to get that real precise line, because we are doing a cat eye look but with no wing liner. Next I am going in with Creamsicle, and this is on a Morphe M513 brush. It's a little bit more precise to put that in the crease area. On that same brush and just doing the same thing, just taking it a little bit lower in that crease area. I'm also now putting this on the outer V of the eye because I want it to be on the outer corner as well as the crease. Then I'm just picking up my Morphe M573 brush to really blend that out and make sure that there are no harsh lines. Repeating those exact same steps, so putting it in the crease and the outer V of the eye, and using that 513 brush to apply it, and then using the 573 brush to blend it out. On a Morphe M433, and just applying this right against that tape and smudging it out just to create a little bit of depth right at where that tape lies. Now I am just using that 573 brush and going back in with that creamsicle shade and just making sure everything is nice and blended out. And going back in with one of those initial colors helps to blend out any harsh lines that you may be seeing. going to dampen my brush with MAC Fix Plus because I want it to be really intense. Going back in with that 513 brush with a little bit of product left over and just blending out any of the lines from that shimmer shade. Now I'm using the Stila Magnificent Metals Glitter in the shade Kitten Karma, and this is just on a brush from the Morphe Blue and Pink palette, and I'm just going to lightly tap that over top of that shimmer color. Hangover RX primer, and I'm using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation, and I'm going to be applying that with my Real Techniques beauty sponge. And I also did apply my eyelashes off camera, and they are the Velour kind of create your own. They are the full crisscross flare in the 11 millimeters. And now you see me adjusting my lighting. I will do that a couple times just because I felt like it was a little off. Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I am mixing the shades Fair and Fair Neutral. And then I'm going to use my Real Techniques sponge to blend that out. Now I'm using my RCMA No Color Powder to set my under eyes, and I'm going to do that with a Morphe E48 brush. Now I'm using my Merle Norman Ultra Powder Foundation, and I am using just a Merle Norman powder brush. The number's rubbed off, so I can't tell you that, but it's a Merle Norman powder brush. Now I am using my Makeup Forever Pro Bronze Fusion, and this one is the 15i, and I'm just lightly contouring with my Morphe M523 brush. Now I am using the Tarte blush in the shade Seduce, and I'm using my Merle Norman blush brush. Now I'm using the Becca highlighters, and I am mixing Pearl and the Jaclyn Hill collaboration Champagne Pop. Now I'm going back in with that creamsicle shade on a Morphe E36, and I'm putting that on my lower lash line. Then going in with Hunts, and I'm going to repeat that exact same thing. Now in with Jacz, and again doing that exact same thing. On a Morphe M432, it's just a flat definer brush, and I'm going to put this just on the outer half of the eye, just to add a little bit of depth. Then I'm using that pencil brush again to just lightly blend that out. The shade Beam, and I'm going to use that on my inner corner as well as underneath the brow. Alright, I applied my lower lash mascara off camera. I used the Better Than Sex mascara. And now I'm going in with my trial size of the Kat Von D liquid lipstick in the shade Ludwig, which I'm obsessed with this color. It's such a nice nude color. Alright, and this is the finished look. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!